Welcome to Hammer-IMS. We're proud to showcase our newest demo machine here at the 2023 Hannover Messe in Hanover, Germany. Our demo uses the same advanced technology as our full-scale inline measuring systems, designed to maximize efficiency and quality within your production process. We designed this demo device specifically with the ability to let our customers bring their sample materials to our booth during one of the many fairs we'll be attending the coming years. This way, customers are able to obtain a full scan of their respective samples while having a coffee with one of our experts. The usefulness of this demo machine was proven once more during the ITMA fair in Milan. Our memory sensor technology is able to detect subtle differences in material grammage for a wide array of materials. Each system is custom developed to ensure an effortless integration into the existing production line. Our Connectivity 3.0 software is crucial for the accurate reading of the measurements. This demo machine is proof of what our measuring systems are capable of and how they could improve your production process. Contact us for more information. Hammer-IMS, the future of measuring systems.